Hi guys, welcome to my purple echoey bathroom for a chatty, wash my face with me. Anyway, I wanted to try out this Beauty by Earth mask. And I used to do masks on my face all the time, but I haven't in a while because small children, homeschooling, and Lyme's disease. So I thought I would do a mask with you guys and update you on my life because I don't really make that many videos here anymore. This isn't my main hobby because of homeschooling, Lyme disease. Anyway, let's get started. So I really need to do a mask. I don't know if you can tell, I have like lots of issues. And all right, so I'm supposed to expand my pores with a warm towel. I need to take off my earrings too. So what I'm hoping this mask will do is just smooth out any of my redness, maybe take care of some of my pores, and just give my face a nice, refreshing, clean, deep clean. So I'm gonna apply this hot washcloth to my face and I'll see you after. All right, I have moistened the face and now we are going to put this stuff on me and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it dries. And during that time, I will look ridiculous and chat with you. So what should we talk about first? The small children, the homeschooling, or the Lyme's disease? I'm gonna use the camera, put this all over my 34-year-old face. And let's see, let's talk about the small children first. So as you guys know, I have two children. They are Ruben and Rebecca. And Ruben is 6 and Rebecca is 3.5. So Ruben's in 1st grade right now. They're growing up so fast. I just can't believe how big they're getting and so independent, and they're just wonderful. Can't believe I'm a mom sometimes still. It just, every day I wake up and I'm like, oh yeah. Well, usually I get woken up by the children, but it's so much fun. And a lot of work too, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. I really wouldn't. You're so wonderful. All right, now we can talk about homeschooling. We are doing Ambleside online. I want to get extra on my nose. I have lots of bad pores here. We are doing Ambleside online, which is a Charlotte Mason based homeschooling. I wasn't going to start 1st grade with my son this year. I was going to wait, but I think he's ready and he's doing really well with it. I had an existential crisis trying to start homeschooling. I wrote a blog post about it on my blog because I have more time to write now than to edit videos. But I got a lot of help. I did a lot of planning, and we started, and I changed some plans because when you start working through things, sometimes they don't always work and you have to adjust. And let's see, you could probably hear my kids in the next room. They're playing video games. And we're doing it. We're doing Ambleside online. I am not doing the entire Ambleside online curriculum. We are not doing modern language, which is what they call foreign language. I just haven't been able to add that in. But other than that, we are doing a living education. We're doing a Charlotte Mason education. I didn't think I could do it. I didn't think I was smart enough. But we're doing it and I love it. This is the homeschooling program for me. This is the homeschooling program for Ruben, and we are thriving, and I've just never been so happy. The hardest thing is making time for school. So basically our mornings after breakfast until lunch, we stay home and do school. And usually I'm too tired to go out. So we're averaging about 2 things a week that we're doing outside of our house, and that's okay. I don't feel okay about it because I'm an extrovert. I like to do more things. If I have more things that I've done on my list, I feel more productive and like a better person, which is ridiculous, but I'm learning to just let it go. And we're doing school, and school is my job, and the second thing I have to do is feed my children. And if I do only those things per day, I am successful. And even if I don't get those things done, there's grace and mercy, and start over again tomorrow. So now I'll tell you about my Lyme's disease while this mask dries, and that is actually going okay right now, which is why I'm able to make videos and function. So I caught Lyme's disease in 2020, May of 2020, during the coronavirus. That coronavirus was the least of my worries. It was really awful. It was horrible. But right now I am in remission, and I'm also on the GAPS diet. I made a few videos about that on here, and I'm on stage 2 right now. I'm just hanging out here on stage 2 with the soup and the egg yolks. And I'm tired of soup, but we're gonna keep going because I want to heal. And I don't know if this is gonna be healing or not, or what's gonna happen, but I'm researching, I'm taking it one step at a time, and I'm grateful for the time that I have right now. That's something Lyme disease has taught me. I'm grateful for the health that I have now, and what can I do with the health that I have now, because it might get worse later, so I should take advantage of the time that I have now. So I guess that covers almost everything in my life: kids, Lyme disease, and homeschooling. As for my channel and knitting, I do knit still. Don't really have time to make patterns anymore, but maybe I will when my kids grow up and they get older and be much more independent. I don't know. Life has stages. That's something I'm learning. Life has stages in it, and I had a stage of knitting patterns and devoting myself to making videos, and it was fun, and I loved it. It was work too, but I loved it so much. And then I had a baby, and we entered the new stage for me, and I had to give myself as wholly to that baby and to my new role as being a mom as I had given myself to YouTube. And so making videos and making fun patterns and knitting took a back seat, and that's okay. And I'm learning not to look behind me, at what I had before, but look ahead to what I could have in the future, or what I have now, and to count my blessings. So I'm happy. I'm okay making paper Sloyd videos right now, as we're doing that in homeschooling, and I can fit that easily into our life. And I feel enriched and gloriously happy and thankful to God for my 2 children that I have, for the fact that we're not sick right now, for the fact that God is good and wonderful, and that I'm able to just take it day by day. I don't know. Do you guys have any questions for me or anything that you want to know? I would love to do a Q&A if there's anything. And I do plan on making some homeschooling videos in here. I want to show how I scheduled my Ambleside online, because I did it in a different way, and maybe it will help you out. And any other homeschooling questions or knitting questions or anything that you guys have. Before I go, I will let you know that all of my patterns are free now, except for 2 of them, the glove pattern, and there's one other one that's not free, I can't remember. So I was previously charging for them, but they are free now. Maybe in a couple years I'll charge for them again. I don't know. I have no idea. We're taking it day by day. They are all free right now, and they will be free for the remainder of 2021. So go down here to my link to my Ravelry, and you can download my patterns if you knit, or check out a paper Sloyd video or a homeschooling video, or leave me a comment and tell me about your life, because I'm a little bit lonely for other people. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. So I washed my face earlier. It is now bedtime. It did make me a little red, but usually face masks take a day to your skin to adjust. But I just wanted to say this lighting is probably not the best either. There we go. That lighting's pretty good. That I absolutely love it because my face is so soft. And thank you, Beauty by Earth, for sending me that face mask for free. They didn't pay me anything, it's not sponsored, but they did send it to me for an honest review, and I am in love. My skin is like really soft, and usually it's not like this. I do wash my face every day, but I could just touch it. It feels like silk. It's really soft. So I'm definitely going to be using that face mask again, and it's kind of fun to get things for free and make videos about it. And here's Ruben. He's also wearing lemon pajamas, and it's almost bedtime. What do you think about bedtime?
It actually is bedtime, but Becky got to go to sleep early because she did not eat her food.
Yeah.
I don't like to stop here.
Alright, well I'm going to finish editing this video, and I'll see you guys later.